everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it is Thanksgiving, so I figured I would do a little like Thanksgiving get ready with me. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm actually posting the last video that I recorded, which was on Columbus Day, so a really long time ago. Probably today or tomorrow, so that you guys can just see it and kind of be updated with whatever was on that video. And then I will update you guys with anything new that has happened. So it is about, I don't even know, probably like 10. I just got out of the shower and Kyle is running some quick errands. I have to start cooking around like 12. We're going to my cousin's house for Thanksgiving this year. So I'm cooking my mom's baked mac and cheese. I already have my tree up, yes. And that's because we got a puppy and I wanted to take Christmas pictures with her in front of it. So I will insert some clips of her like when we first got her, because she is a heck of a lot bigger now. So I will insert some clips, some pictures that I have of her when we first got her. Her name is Nova. She's a purebred German Shepherd, and I will also put a lot of videos of her in this video. I'll also insert her Christmas pictures here. I'm just kind of getting ready. After that, we're gonna go Black Friday shopping. So this vlog is kind of gonna be like all weekend probably. So today's Thursday, obviously, Thanksgiving. We do some shopping tonight because you guys know Walmart, Kohl's, Best Buy, they're all open on Thanksgiving. So we're just gonna go shopping like around us tonight, and then we're going out where like all the stores are tomorrow. And so I'll take you guys along with me there. We have a whole lot of stuff to get, hopefully a lot of Christmas gifts and hopefully a lot of stuff for the house. And then I don't really know what we're doing. Saturday we have a Friendsgiving. And then Sunday I have another Thanksgiving at my dad's house. So like today's Thanksgiving is my whole mom's side, dad's side, like kind of everybody. And then Sunday we'll be at my dad's house. It's just kind of like a little one that we do so that my dad has like his own Thanksgiving leftovers and my brother and stuff, so. Alright guys, so sorry for not vlogging, but it's now 9 o'clock at night and we just got back from shopping. I just heated myself up a little bit of my baked mac and cheese that I made, and I will insert a video of what we got tonight. And then we're going out tomorrow, and I'll try to film more tomorrow. I'm really hoping that I remember, but like I'm not really used to filming all the time, so I just kind of forget. I just go about it and then I'm like, I didn't film. So yeah, we got quite a few things that I wanted to get, and then hopefully we'll get a bunch tomorrow. And yeah, so we're kind of just chilling out for the rest of the night. We gotta go to bed in a little bit. Like I said, it's only 9, but we're getting up at like 4:30 to leave here. So if I don't check back in tonight, then I will see you guys in the morning. Okay guys, it is 6 o'clock in the morning. We just got gas, I ate breakfast, and now we're headed up to Manchester to get the rest of the stuff that we need. So I just wanted to check in. We're going to Home Depot first. I have to get some stuff for my brother for Christmas. My dad wants me to get some stuff, and then Kyle's gonna get some stuff. So that's where we are headed, and I will see you at the next point. So we just got home. We went to a whole bunch of places, spent too much money. Kyle's pulling in like right now. I'm outside with the puppy, and yeah, I'll show you guys a haul of kind of what we got, and then I'm probably just gonna take a nap, and I work tonight, so. Alright, so a lot of the stuff that I got I actually can't show you guys because it's Christmas presents, thankfully, but I am gonna show you some of the stuff. So as some of you might have known, Kohl's had a 15% off if you shopped on Thursday. So I got these for $8.99 with a 15% off. We got this electric can opener for $2.14. I got a blender for like, I don't know, $9 or something like that. So we got this for $7 at Walmart. All right, we got this set at Walmart as well for $20. So it comes with like a whole bunch of cookware, which is mainly the reason why I wanted it. And then it comes with glass like storage. So that was really nice too. I got myself a printer, HP OfficeJet. That was $39 at Walmart, but I really needed it. So I got this from Ulta for myself. I think it was like $7. I got myself these socks. They were $12.99, but it was buy one get one free, so I got another pair for someone. Kyle bought me a Yeti cup for Christmas, so yes, thank you very much. At Dick's, they were having a 25% off of everything in the entire store, so that was fun. I got some wrapping paper, and then lastly I got a few things from the Christmas tree shop. So sorry, this video is like everywhere and I can't believe I'm actually showing this to you guys in my kitchen. So I got this rug that just says Merry Ann Bright from the Christmas tree shop. Let's see, I got 3 bags of these because they were on sale, and who the heck doesn't love Lindor truffles? That's a present. We got an extension cord because it was really well priced at Home Depot. And I think that's kind of it, actually. So we also got 3 containers of cat litter from Tractor Supply because we have cats, and they were on sale. And then I think that's it. Well, I got a lot more stuff, but a lot of stuff I can't share because the people watching are mainly family, and a lot of it is gifts for them. So I can't show you guys a lot of the gifts because, you know, I don't want them to see it. So yeah, that's kind of it for like what we got for ourselves. Oh, and then we got I don't know, like a huge thing of laundry detergent. It was $8 at Home Depot, and it's huge, so we got one of those as well. But that was it. Let me show you guys. Yeah, so that's really it. I'm trying to think. I feel like we got so much more stuff, but I guess not. Alright guys, it's about 12 o'clock on Saturday. I'm getting ready to go to our Friendsgiving. The pup is just running around. I cleaned the kitchen last night, and then I'm cooking potatoes now. We're bringing Hawaiian rolls and my creamy mashed potatoes that I make. So I'm just making those now, and then we're gonna head over. They're having like a little bit of a pit bike party. So there'll be a bunch of people riding pit bikes, and then we're gonna eat around like 4. And then after that, I have a gender reveal party for a girl that I work with. So I'll be going to that after. And then that's kind of all we really have planned today. So today's kind of a boring day, and tomorrow's gonna be even more boring because we have nothing planned, which will kind of be nice.
Okay, count on 3 so we can all press play though.
Oh, girl, I've been recording for 30 seconds.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Kyle's plowing the driveway. And I'm sitting inside watching a movie. Waiting for him to come back inside. Alright guys, it is Monday morning. There was a whole bunch of snow tonight. I am at the vet currently. I'm taking Nova for her 12-week checkup. She's getting her rabies shot today. I'm pretty much just gonna do a whole bunch of Cyber Monday shopping to get a whole bunch of Christmas presents done. And I'm just gonna kind of chillax at home after I get back. I'm not going anywhere because the roads are not fun right now. I mean, it's still early, but I don't like driving in the snow. You'll never catch me driving in the snow if I don't have to. So, yeah, I'm pretty much just gonna chill at home. I cleaned like the whole house pretty much this weekend except for our bedroom. So I might clean the bedroom, fold all the laundry, and then just do some cyber shopping. And then I have a video from literally like the beginning of October that I want to post for you guys just to get it out there. And then, so instead of doing Vlogmas, because I have 4 part-time jobs, like there's literally no way I'm gonna be able to do Vlogmas. Zero, no way. I was thinking about just trying to start posting more and starting to try to get into the routine of posting more, because I really would love to do Vlogmas, but I think it's not gonna be, I don't think I'm gonna be able to until next year. So instead, I'm gonna just try to post like once or twice a week just to get back into that routine, so it'll kind of be like my Vlogmas. I have like a few video ideas that I think you guys might like that are kind of easy to edit, and I might just be able to post kind of quick. So yeah, I was thinking about that. If you guys like that idea, give this video a thumbs up. But I really need to go into the vet now, so I will check back in when we get home. Alright guys, so it's actually like 5 o'clock at night. I totally forgot to vlog. I didn't really do much today. I kind of just sat on my phone on the couch and looked for cyber deals and found nothing. I was so disappointed. I feel like Black Friday and Cyber Monday this year were kind of crap. So I just left TJ Maxx. I spent like $50, but I got quite a few Christmas gifts for people. So I'm pretty happy with what I got for 50 bucks. I got some things for myself too. I can never go to TJ Maxx and spend less than like $20. So yeah, now I'm on my home and I'm gonna make some shepherd's pie for dinner and probably just hang out with Kyle and not do too much. It's 5:40 right now, and I just got a call from my brother and then my dad saying, do not go out, the roads are horrible. I was supposed to work today, but it looks like I'm having a snow day, so I'm just gonna continue this little vlog and keep it going. And yeah, so Kyle's outside right now plowing the driveway, and hopefully he'll have a snow day so we can have a little day off too, but we'll see about that. I doubt it, but that would be nice. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know I am not going outside right now. It is way too cold, so I'll show you all the snow when I actually get up. So it's currently still snowing, kind of. I don't know if you guys can really see, but I'm outside with the puppy, and that's Kyle's Bigfoot statue, or whatever wood cutout thing that his brother got him. But, yeah, I'm hoping she goes poop so that I can go back inside because I'm cold. But, yeah, we were not supposed to get as much snow as we got. But, here we are. So, it's pretty, but pain in the butt. Alright guys, so I just got back from Walmart. Sorry if you can hear the washing machine going, and sorry if I look like kind of green. My charger is actually Christmas lights, so that's kind of why, and I have the tree on, and that's like it pretty much. But I just got back from Walmart. I got a few more Christmas decorations. I got some goodies, some candy canes for the Christmas tree, and then my cousin is coming over, and one of my friends, and well, actually both my cousins and one of my friends are coming over. We're just gonna kind of hang out and, like, I don't know, probably not really do anything, but yeah, I'm probably gonna wrap up this vlog and kind of call it a long weekend. I know I didn't really talk to you guys a lot, but I tried to, like, insert some videos of, like, what we were doing, which wasn't really much. So yeah, but if you did like this video, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed already, please go ahead and do that. And if you have any comments or video suggestions, please go ahead and comment those down below, and I hope to see you in the next one.